Philippines can only be united when the people will realize that we have a country of our own, stand on our own, and be patriotic and loyal to our own. So there are points of division in democracy, like dialogues and everything, party there, party. But what is inviolable is our love for country.
Amen.
When it comes for love of our country and sovereignty, we should all be one. There should be no division because we are all Filipinos. Pagdating dyan sa pag-ibig sa ating bansa, sa pagtayo sa ating bansa, huwag natin ipahiya si Jose Rizal, sila Bonifacio. Namatay sila nang dahil tayo ay magkaroon ng sariling soberenya. Pagdating dyan, huwag dapat tayong hawakan o pakialaman ng iba. Tumayo tayo sa sarili natin. At tapos mahalin ang bansa. Kung ano yung kabubuti ng bansa, mag-contribute tayo.